Hey, this is Deontay. I'm sitting outside. I found Circles by Marcus Houston on YouTube, so I'm gonna play that and sing it to you. Let me know what you think. I'm about to press play.
It's funny. Seems every time I try to forget about you, my fellas pull you back in. You know, 'cause I got somebody else. I got somebody else. But you and I both love you. It really is. Still, you know, I'm still feeling.
Ran across the page you used to cut me. Then you called me thinking about how it used to be. It was just you and me. Still that you say you love me, like no one else above me. But I was back and now you're just a memory. If I think away the soul, where would we be? Are we still together and somewhere happy? If I'm supposed to be moved on a new relationship, darling, why are you still haunting me? If you love something, let it go. And if it comes back, then that's how you'll know. I got to the stoplight, then I made for right. Now I'm back where I started and you're back in. Oh, because the run gets back to you. Say you're all mine and I'm reminded of you. Can somebody help me? Let me get out of the circle, out of the circle. I drove past your house the other day. I didn't even mean to, I went the wrong way. I ain't seen your mama in a while. When she looks at me, she smiles and asks me if I'm doing okay. Took everything I had not to bring up your name, and wonder if you came home for the holidays, yeah. She asked if I could stay a while, 'cause you were back in town, and you were just 5 minutes away. Oh, hey, if it comes back, yeah. Oh, oh, now you're back in my life, baby. Oh, something wrong with the truth. Just to help me. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Everybody who's listening to this, if you got that person that makes you wonder what if, let me hear you say yeah, say yeah, say yeah, oh yeah. And if you understand how I feel, then grab that person now and let them know what's real. Let me hear you say yeah, 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 oh, hey. That's how you're gonna know. I got turned around, trying to figure it out. Yes, I am, and it goes, it comes around, gets back, goes. Baby, it's gone. Oh, can somebody help me? Oh, that may not be the best version of that song, but I sang it. Let me know what you think. Howdy.